Imagine a world without FavePay. It sounds almost unimaginable, doesn't it? The app that once dominated our mobile wallets, simplifying our lives and making payments a breeze. But what happened to FavePay? Where did it go? And why did it disappear so suddenly? Today, we're diving deep into the story of FavePay, unraveling the mysteries behind its rise, its fall, and the lessons we can learn from its journey. The rise of FavePay. FavePay burst onto the scene with a storm of innovation and convenience. Its sleek interface, user-friendly features, and attractive rewards made it an instant hit. Remember those cashback offers, the exclusive discounts, and the seamless integration with your favorite merchants? FavePay was a game-changer. It wasn't just about the technology, it was about the community. FavePay fostered a sense of belonging, connecting users through shared experiences and benefits. It was more than just an app, it was a lifestyle. The cracks began to show. But as with any success story, there were underlying challenges. The rapid growth of FavePay also brought with it operational complexities. Scaling up, ensuring security, and managing partnerships became increasingly demanding. Then came the competition. New players entered the market, offering similar services and sometimes even better deals. FavePay found itself facing pressure from all sides. The downfall. Despite its best efforts, FavePay couldn't weather the storm. A series of missteps, coupled with the intense competition, led to a decline in user base and revenue. The app's once vibrant community began to dwindle, and the once prominent brand faded into obscurity. It was a heartbreaking fall from grace for a company that had once been so promising. Lessons learned. What can we learn from the story of FavePay? Adaptability is key. In a rapidly changing market, companies must be able to pivot and adjust their strategies to stay relevant. Customer experience matters. FavePay's success was built on providing a superior user experience. Companies must always prioritize customer satisfaction. Security is paramount. In the digital age, data security is a top priority. Any breach of trust can have devastating consequences. Competition is fierce. Even the most successful companies face competition. Staying ahead requires constant innovation and differentiation. The story of FavePay is a cautionary tale, a reminder that even the most promising ventures can face challenges. But it's also a story of resilience and the ability to learn from mistakes. As we move forward, let's remember the lessons of FavePay and strive to create businesses that not only succeed but also make a positive impact on the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.